entering ngapunyam dala niji say. So nye husband legal today koran chale yure. So yeah, it's a challenge for him. Wait, mommy. He's so excited actually. So drink nye ko challenge drink ko nye hero challenge. So drink ko this naga khashi taste today ko kanala. So you guys today for Canada. So you guys see his reaction. So first one is mayonnaise. You guys know this mayonnaise. And the second is ketchup. So this is our first time taste mare. So third one is honey. Honey. I think he love it. And fourth one is lemon. Lemon they call chinchuka so dawa hajisina dawa tuk dinjina tudu ko tastic chire odi nabuzo nyiri thong gire ngi sana na dichi post chi ani ta odi jelo ko taste chi mare so ta thanda ko logic da dawa gire ta ko di taste chere. And the last one is yogurt. Sho ko gawo yore dinga thamala dei sho gawo bere. So let's go. There's a good luck, mommy. Okay. And the first one is mayonnaise. So I just put it here. A little bit. This is another lumara. Taste here. Wait, mommy, I'll give you. It's so weird. Okay. Mommy, no, not like that. And it's rata ko sare. Ko ginam chutaru chella. Wait, I'm a tego. Koranam shagota. It's chinta. Okay. Yay! Good job! Good, mommy! Bravo! Yeah, which is good. And the second one is ketchup. See, guys? You guys see his reaction. So we are in kitchen at the moment because this so the second one is ketchup. Mayonnaise ko yabusa sung tangbodi. Yay, here we go. Ah, ngamu. Yay, good job. Good, mommy. And the third one is honey. He will love it. There. Wait, mommy. Wait, please. Wow. Yeah. And the third one is honey. Here we go. Honey. It's yum, mommy. Wow. Good. Honey the guy, bra. Good, mommy. The youngster study question as she did a hand, she would be lemon cherry. So I put like this. Wait, mommy. Yeah. So see, guys. Honey, this dish paper. So see, guys. I'll put honey like that. I'm sure he will be not. Because the lemon the tung sarani ko dijel che tung ching marta. Okay, guys, let's see. Yeah, good job. Oh my God, it's your mommy. Oh, to the mommy. Oh. And the last one is yogurt. Yogurt ko gagre tako sour go. Here we go. Good job. Oh my God. so happy actually. I guys, show the girl. Show the what's on to Ram. Shibuda. Ah. Show the break me. In a good sister, my nesta ketchup the Abusas. Lemon bay, yes, Mindago. Could out dig up to the troops go to call lemon chick test the first time. Did you call Yaks Mindo and no so and you got husband and you got this age of the country see you in a ledge of mudding in. Yeah, in it today call Igas Colonam Gurmaso, that and they just so see guys, show some soon. Okay, and the challenge is done. Thank you to the mommy. Yalla, shit up to. I'm a tuji nanch. Oh, I'm a udu. Sitting. Ani head, shoulder, knees and toes. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Yeah, head and shoulder there, yeah? Oh, God, you could do. Okay, guys, any bite. I hope you guys like our video. So subscribe to me now, please do subscribe our channel. And bye, flying kiss. Bye. Mwah. Good. Bye. Please subscribe our channel. And love you guys. Bye. Mwah. Good.